Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and our product include the injector, the valve assembly, the pumps, repair kit, SCV valve, the sensors, etc. Today we're going to share with you about our valve assembly, this one, and now let's see it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages. It is kind of blue VCI intervals back here. This is the label, right? Label information include the product SKU and also with the product code F00RJ02449. And for this kind of logo labeled packages, that will also match details right. We can supply the customized service. So any of the customers have such a demand, please feel free to contact us. That's the inside product. You can take a look, and for this one you can see the inside is the transparent bottles, and it's very hard and can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. So you don't need to worry about anything will hurt the inside product. Let's roll it to see the inside. That's the oil paper. Generally, we use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up, and next is our valve assembly. You can take a look. That's whole side. Actually, as you can see, we're not only selling the whole side, we also selling the separate one, such as the valve cap or the separate valve rods. And if you look carefully, you will find here this is with the coating figures on the surface of the valve cap. And for our product, we have the quality guarantee, the 6 months warranty time. Each product will receive the packages. If you're not set with the quality, it's okay. We can return or exchange your product for you. And at here, Caitlin had the 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, please clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is when you install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rods can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, that's all the introductions about the valve assembly. If any of the product, if you're interested in, please feel free to contact us. You can send us by the emails or the WhatsApp, the phone numbers, or you can leave the comments below these videos. After I see that, I will reply you. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.